Hello Sushi lovers family, Namaste and Greeting from Sushi Man Santosh. Today in this sushi making video, I'm gonna show you how to make perfect deep fried shrimp sushi roll with topping of 3 different sushi grade fish. If you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos about simple and delicious sushi recipe. Okay, let's move to the topic. It's a breaded Namaste shrimp. I already made a video about how to make perfect breaded crispy shrimps. Check link on my description box. Here time to do deep fried. Actually it is panko shrimps, but we can call also crispy tempura shrimp. For the frying oil, you can use any vegetable oils and make temperatures 170 to 174 degrees Celsius and wait till it's become brown and crunchy. Okay, now you can make dry with help of the pepper. I have here the nori seaweed. This is the rough side and it is shiny side. Always we have to place sushi rice on the rough side. Okay, now I'll take out 25% of nori. I'm gonna use 75% of seaweed. So my California sushi roll with deep fried crunchy tempura shrimp will be bigger than uramaki sushi roll and smaller than the futomaki sushi roll. I have your cooked sushi rice. Normally for the uramaki sushi roll, I love to use 100 gram, but here I am going to use a little more sushi rice, more or less 125 grams. Let's put sushi rice on the middle of seaweed and gently separate cooked sushi rice on the sheet all around the equal quantity. Use your fingers, but thumb and second fingers will play a vital role. Don't press too much, it should be a soft and fluffy. If you press too much, it can be a chewy. Extra level of aroma and crunchiness, I'll add toasted sesame seeds. Now I'm gonna flip it because I'm going to make uramaki California inside out sushi roll. Now I'll open avocado to make a small slice to put middle of sushi roll. Let's open the avocado and make small slices. Yes, now I will put deep fried tempura Namaste shrimp with avocado. Avocado will make your sushi creamy and fried shrimp tempura will make it crispy. So the combination will be very good. Now I'm gonna roll it. For sushi rolling techniques, always secure bamboo mat with thumb and second fingers and roll it very slowly so your bamboo tip will come to touch nori like in this video. Now take out bamboo mat and roll it again to finalize and make a little squeeze so your sushi roll will be traditional square shape. Yes, finally my breaded tempura sushi roll is ready. Now I will cut sushi rolls. In the cutting times of sushi roll, always make sure your knife is clean and wet so sushi rice can't sticky and will cut perfectly. As you can see here, I am using water to make wet and I have the wet towel to clean my knife. Okay, let's cut sushi roll. If you can try to hold knife in between 2 fingers and cut it smoothly, it will be better and it will be easy to cut sushi roll. Now I am going to put on plate. Yes, it's my beautiful fried tempura Namaste sushi roll with avocado. Now I'm gonna reveal all of you sushi lovers the secret but simple sushi recipe so you can make it your home easily. Let's see. Okay, it's a belly part of Hiramasa kingfish, also called hamachi. It is bluefin tuna block, akami part, and also I have salmon block of belly part. Same way I have here the green lima as well. Now I'm gonna cut a small dice from this hamachi block. If you don't have the hamachi, don't be worried. You can use any sushi grade white fish like robalo and gilded brain, it's called dorada or curvina. I'll put on this pot. Now I'll make salmon small dice cut same as of hamachi block and gonna put with hamachi. Here is the tuna block. I will follow same process of Hiramasa kingfish and salmons. It is bluefin tuna akami part which is frequently and many restaurants use because of easy availability and cheaper than the part of tsutoro and otoro. If you really like to use yellowfin tuna, you can use. If you want to use otoro and tsutoro, it will be very good. Okay, let's mix all of three sushi grade fish, and I'm adding skin of green lemon so in eating time we can feel extra level of textures and flavor. Now I'm gonna add red tobiko also. Tobiko means the roe from flying fish. It will give unique textures, light umami and crunchiness. Now I'm gonna mix all of this very well. It looks delicious and good consistency of flavor with salmon, toro belly part, Hiramasa kingfish, tuna, skin of green lemons and red tobiko. And the textures and the flavor and the consistency will be really good, I hope. Let's put on top of the each pieces of sushi roll. For topping, I love to use always fine chopped spring onions or onion chips. Here is wasabi and ginger pickles, and also I will be happy to add slice of green lemon. That's it. Here is my final results of beautiful and delicious deep fried shrimp sushi roll with 3 different sushi grade fish: salmon, tuna and hamachi. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. If you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to share with your sushi lover friends and relatives. Have a nice day.